Hey everyone! Mother's Day is just around the corner, and if you're a middle schooler trying to figure out the perfect gift, here's some good news. You don't need to spend a single dollar to make something unforgettable. Whether you're celebrating your mom, a grandma, an aunt, a stepmom, a guardian, or just someone who's shown you love and care. Today's all about appreciation. Now, I know most of us don't have jobs or credit cards, but you've got something way more valuable. Your time, your creativity, and your memories. A heartfelt gift beats an expensive one every time. So here are a few awesome ideas. First up, the memory jar. Grab a clean jar, cut up some paper, and fill it with notes about your favorite memories, things you're grateful for, or little jokes and drawings. It's like giving someone a hug in paper form. Or if you like to write, make a custom poem or letter. Tell them what you've learned from them, how they've helped you grow, or how they made you laugh when you needed it most. Don't worry about sounding fancy. Just be real. And here's one of my favorites. Write a song using your best memories as lyrics. Think about that time they cheered you on at your game, helped you with a tough assignment, or made your favorite meal just because. Then use a tool like Suno, Riffusion, or voice mod to turn those lyrics into an actual song. Even if you're not a musician, those tools can help you sound like a pro. Trust me, a custom song is next-level awesome. And remember, not everyone has a traditional mom figure in their life, and that's okay. What matters is taking time to honor someone who's shown you love and support. That's the real spirit of Mother's Day. So skip them all, open your heart, and make something meaningful. If you found these ideas helpful, show your love by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Let's keep lifting each other up, one homemade gift at a time.